Greetings, members, one and all of the Salivation Nation. Can you put a price on peace? That is the 2021 silver peace dollars. Let's explore. In this unboxing, this is the final of the ones that I've received. I didn't do the unboxing for the CC Morgans that I received. I will eventually do a video showcasing all of the coins together. Nonetheless, this one I'm probably the most nervous about because I'm hearing more and more people who have received coins that have had damage or issues with them. So we're going to take a look at these for that and talk a little bit about the peace dollars and how they've kind of are making a turnaround in terms of their price. So let's unbox this and see what we've got from the United States Mint here. There we go. Easy. Well done here. Pull that away. And we have a little bit loose in the packaging. And they used one piece of paper to cover all of the coins. So not very done very well. We're going to open up the peace dollars first, and then we'll get the Morgan dollars. But here is the 2021 peace dollar. Very nice box there. And now we'll pull it out of the packaging. We are recognized, very familiar with this packaging across all the boards. And of course you can see it's outside of the box, which we've been seeing quite often with these. But there it is, taking a look at it closely now. And it appears to be in decent shape, although it is slightly off center that I can see there. Other than that, it looks good. No issues with that one. We're going to unbox all three of these. And I'm kind of have been flipping these, some of them, and my LCS to try to pay for the purchase of these and keep some in my collection. And so this is one that we'll set aside, and we'll look at the second one and see what it looks like. Alright, this one appears to be inside of the case, but just barely. And there it is. That looks a little better. And it does tend to have a slight, I don't know if it really would be considered high relief. I thought maybe it would, but it's the features do appear to be more pronounced, I think, with the eagle and the head of Liberty there. And that is the kind of the case with the original 1921 Morgan dollar, which was considered high relief. So I don't know. This does appear to have that sort of feature to it. And I don't have a 1921, genuine 1921 peace dollar to compare it to, but this one looks pretty good. So, all right, very good. And we're going to take a look at the third one here. 2 out of 3 is not bad. And in this day and age, especially when you take into account what other people have been experiencing, this one is definitely loose in the package. And it's a shame how they've packaged their items. I know Spectacular had one just like this outside of the capsule. This was something Spectacular had, and I've got it too. Outside of the capsule it is. Come loose from the capsule, which is unfortunate. Rattling around there is the case. We're going to take a look at the coin. Since it's already outside the capsule, we'll take a look at it together here, and we can see, I can already tell, there it is. Massive finning going on this peace dollar. Awful to see that finning there around the edge. You can see how thick the rim is there and how thin it is here, or the edge, and just horrible that they do this. Better quality control, better striking measures need to happen to the mint. And of course, the others may have it as well, but this one, it's a very serious case of it, and that's probably one reason why it came out of the capsule. But it does appear to have a little bit higher relief to it. But other than that, sharp. I mean, you could shave with how sharp that is. You could shave with that. It's absolutely crazy. But nonetheless, that is the case. So if you purchase these, I would encourage you to take them out of the capsule, at least partially, to see if that thinning is there. It's a huge problem. And of course, yes, you could send it back. And as you can see, when you put the capsule back on it, it's really high there on that side, and it's snug on this side, and that's probably why it had gotten loose there, because of that thinning that's going on. But now let's talk a little bit about the peace dollar, and I'm going to talk about it a bit. That is the Philadelphia Mint version, and it is. And we're going to take a look at these Morgan dollars here. And as we look at the Morgan dollars, we'll talk about the peace dollar. And these are the Philadelphia minted ones. This completes the collection, by the way, to have these. But the peace dollar has been going up slightly in value on the secondary market. It may be the key to the series. Several other channels have made mention of this as well, and kind of noticed that the prices have gone up on this. This capsule's not very tight around this, which means there's probably thinning on this as well too. Let's take this out and take a look and see. But the secondary market has been kind to the peace dollars, and not so as much for the Morgan dollars, as they've started to come down in price, and the peace dollars are going up in price. So the question is at hand is, can you put a price on peace? Well, apparently you can, and it's going up. The price on peace is increasing, indeed. And that is the case here. Let's see, does this have any thinning on it? No, not really. This one seems to be in decent shape. If it is, it's very negligible thinning. So that's a nice. So sometimes the mint can get it right, and I applaud them when they do. Nonetheless, there that is. So that's the Morgan dollar. So the prices, and I have not checked. I know other channels have been really good about checking the prices on the secondary market for these, and I have not. But they are out of the capsule there again, you can see. But you track that day to day, and the best way to really gauge that is to look on eBay and see what the prices are going for there on eBay. Now this may be the capsule. Yeah, it was just a little bit of a lint or something there, but this dollar looks pretty good. Philadelphia minted, because you know there's no mint mark on it, and that was the case because the Philadelphia Mint is the main branch, so they feel like they don't need to put a mint mark on those. So far, that one looks good. And so there's so many different kinds of Morgans out there. 5 in total. You have the CC, Privy, the O Privy, P, D, and S Morgans. And those are all mint marked ones. And so therefore, the last one was the peace dollar. 175,000 mintage for these Morgans. But there is indeed 200,000 for the peace dollars, but you know, that's it. And I think that is why some people are thinking that perhaps the peace dollars could be key here. And so that's why there they are, the peace and Morgan dollars for 2021. So apparently you can put a price on peace, and it is rising now. But I guess the best thing to do is see how it looks, and I might sit on these Morgan dollars or these peace dollars for a while, see if they appreciate any more, and maybe flip one or two of them. I'm not sure. Try to keep one for the collection, and we'll see. But there you have it. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section below. Do you have all of them? Let me know in the comment section below if you have a collection of these, all 6 of them, or just certain ones that you like, and have you been able to flip any? Let me know. I'd like to extend a multitude of gratitude to you all for watching, and encourage you to please rate, share, comment, and subscribe.